Finding winning products to sell on your dropshipping store, it's probably the thing that's holding you back from actually making sales and scaling up your store to next level. Is a thing that holds everybody back. In this video, I'm going to teach you the secret method that I use and my students use. I've tested this on hundreds of people and it works every single time. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it yourself. Find hot products, the best products to sell right now in 2019, 2020, and beyond. Let's find out. If you want to build and scale your Shopify dropshipping business to more than $10,000 per month or more right now, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell right now. I teach people exactly like you how to grow and scale your store to the next level right now in 2019, 2020, and beyond. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm happy to announce I will be giving away every single video a special lesson that I did for my mentoring students, how to grow your Facebook ads for dropshipping from zero, how to test products, how to start getting some sales, all the way up to more than $10,000 per day. I will announce the winner of the past video at the end of this video. If you want to win for this video, make sure to comment secrets down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will be checking. If you want to find the top winning dropshipping products right now, you need to start modeling what's working right now. Some spy tools, a lot of expensive programs that you might be paying for, might be paying like $200 up to like $500 a month for spy tools programs to find products. Maybe you're hiring people to find those products for you. There might be products that have been working 2 months, 3 months, maybe 6 months or a year back. You want to find products that are working right now, that are actually making sales and you can sell and profit from right now. The first step you need to take is to actually go into Facebook and pull up your Facebook feed, the Facebook homepage. And what you need for this is how to find profitable products from Facebook. You will need Facebook and an app called Turbo Ad Finder. This is taken from the free training presentation. At the end of this video, I'm going to talk about this special training that I created. So you'll need Facebook and you also need this app called Turbo Ad Finder, and you will also need Facebook Pixel Helper. So this is the other app that you'll need. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper. It's right here and it shows you when a page has a Facebook pixel and also shows you the pixel ID, which is very crucial to here. So when you click the Turbo Ad Finder and you click it off, you will see a bunch of posts from your friends, maybe from your cousin, from your Facebook groups, whatever that is. If you click on it, you will only see ads. Sometimes it doesn't work, but most of the times it works pretty well. So you'll see an ad here, an ad there, ad again, ad, and you see ad after ad after ad. So Facebook is showing you all of the ads that are running on your Facebook feed right now. If you're interested in something particular, let's say you're interested in sports, you're interested in travel, in beauty, whatever that is, you'll probably see ads more tailored to you and your particular interests. That being said, what you're going to do to find dropshipping products is find ads that look like they could be dropshipped. So this particular product, this dish shapes wood, in just seconds, get yours here. This salty corn, I know it's a dropshipping store, but it obviously looks dropshipping. It obviously looks like a product that they're dropshipping. Let's go down here. Hey Silky Skin, this one is a little bit of a huge brand, so probably not the best one to use. Then you have Vice Golf here. Let's look at this one. And the cool thing is with this app called Salesforce right here, if Salesforce pulls up, and you can get it with the link in the description, if it pulls up, that means it's a Shopify store. So in this particular one, it didn't pull up here on the side, so I'm guessing it's not a Shopify store, and it could just be something, yeah, it's like self-made or custom-made golf ball, so I wouldn't go for that. I would just go for this one. Now, this is the trick that you're going to do to make Facebook feed you products, literally give you winning products and how to find them right here. What you're going to do is click the add to cart button, and now you're going to click the checkout button. So you're going to ignore everything else. Let's go to the checkout. And what you're going to do in checkout is use this little trick that I'm going to show you right here, and using the Facebook pixel trick. So this particular code, you're going to take that and copy it, and I'm going to post it down in the description. You're going to click here and then go to inspect, and then go to console here on the top. You see where it says elements, console. You're gonna click a right click and then click inspect, or 2 clicks if you're on Mac. Go to console, and in the bottom, you're gonna paste that. Don't hit enter, don't hit anything. What you're going to do is use Facebook Pixel Helper to then pull the Facebook Pixel ID, and you're gonna put that where it says content ID. You're you're gonna put it there, and then you're gonna take the price of the product, $55.98, and put it in value. So $55.98, and then you hit enter, and it's gonna say undefined. What this does is it actually activates the purchase event on any store, and if you look at Facebook Pixel Helper, it's gonna show you that a purchase has been activated. So you pretty much, on Facebook ads, you've bought this product. Now what happens when you buy a product on Facebook? You get shown more ads like it, or it's more likely to show you ads just like the product that you saw. So if you pull Facebook again, and you do have to refresh every single time, then you pull the Facebook Turbo Ad Finder, you're going to see dropshipping product, dropshipping product, again, dropshipping product, dropshipping product, dropshipping product, again, and again. You do this a couple times, your feed will be literally full of dropshipping ads. For example, this one is a big dropshipping ad. This one isn't, but still they're showing. This one is a huge one. I showed it in my top winning products video. If you want to check that out, it's down in the description. Check that video out, the top 21 products to sell. This one was one of them. If you think you can do this strategy, if you think you can do this, like put a pixel code, make sure to set it up all right, and then Facebook will feed you products. Make sure to comment down below if you'll do this strategy starting right now. If we go to shop now, again, with the same thing, the link in the ad, sales source will pull up on the side. Let's see if it pulls up, and it pulls up. Now we're gonna go to add to cart. We add to cart, then we go to checkout, and then we can do the Facebook pixel trick again and again and again. And disclaimer, don't do this more than like 3-4 times a day, because Facebook is tracking how much you're spending on Facebook and what exactly you're doing on Facebook. So if you do it too many times, they might think that it's fake or you're doing it wrong in some sort of way. So not more than 3 to 4 times, and only do it with ads that are actually making a lot, like ads that are huge, because if not, you're just gonna buy from people that are not really doing that well, and it's not gonna work in the Facebook feed. So do it, again, 3 to 4 times a day, not more than that. Less than that, it's okay. So you can do the pixel trick. Then what you're going to do, which is the next step to this, is look at the stores that you just visited. Let's see this simpler, and let's look at shop now. Before we move on, I want to congratulate John Calderon right here. If your username, if it's that, you won the 0 to 10,000 a day special module. If you want to win for this video, make sure to comment secrets down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button. I'll be checking. You might be the winner for this particular video. What you're going to do is, from the Turbo Ad Finder, from the ads that you're finding on Facebook, now you're doing the pixel trick, you're getting a lot of ads, you're going to use this application called Sales Source. And you're going to click Analyze Store. And then Analyze Store is going to tell you how much the store makes, what the products are, the best sellers, what kind of theme the store has. You can get this software down in the description. And 3 months ago, I mean, this is probably a new domain, not a new store, but in 3 months, they're making $121,000 to $243,000 per month, which is huge. They're absolutely crushing. Now, what you're going to do is not really look at the best-selling products. The best sellers are good. They're selling a lot for this particular store, but they might be a little bit saturated. They might not be running well for you. What you're going to do is look at the recently uploaded products down at the bottom. This one says 24 days ago, 25 days ago, a month ago. That is where I found amazing untapped products from huge stores that are doing really well. Then we go into the recently launched and we find products that might be super untapped and just new products that are launching in the market. You find those, they're the new products at this store that's doing $100,000 a month. They just launched them. It's a high probability that they're going to be really good products. Another pro trick, if you want to do it, is to actually go in the Facebook page and link these two together. So let's go to the ads library and let's click on the ads library here, go to ad library. And what we do is we go to Sales Source and we look at recently uploaded products. And if one of those recently uploaded products is in the Facebook ads library, which we're gonna do right now, ads library, and then we click on filter by. I'm in France right now, we can click United States. And right now we'll try to find, these are only 5 ads or 15 ads running for this particular product. But if we see a connection from Sales Source, untapped, recently uploaded products, and they're also testing them on Facebook, that's a product that you need to get on, and it's the gravy train to start selling, because there's a connection between a product they just uploaded and also a product that they're also advertising on Facebook. That's why I say model what works, don't try to reinvent the wheel. If you see somebody doing really well on Salesforce, got a Facebook ads library. If you find a connection, that's a massive product that you should be selling. Now that you know the Facebook pixel trick and how to find untapped products that could be doing amazing right now and recently uploaded as well, if you want to take this to the next level, I've created this training right here, how beginners like you are making $10,000 to $50,000 with a 3-step dropshipping system. People are absolutely loving this free training. It's made me more than $12,000 a day, the lessons that I'm teaching you right now. Check the first link down in the description for this training. And if you want to schedule a free one-on-one call with me or somebody on my team to see if you can get mentored directly by me and get results, amazing results in your Shopify dropshipping store, $10,000 per month, $50,000 per month. We have students doing $150,000 a month. If you're interested in mentoring directly from me, check the second link in the description to schedule a free one-on-one call with me or my team, and you can actually talk to somebody one-on-one. Schedule a call, check that free training down in the first link in the description. And last thing, if you want to learn the top 21 products, a full list of 21 products that you need to sell right now, check out the video right there. There's going to be a video right there that says top 21 products to sell right now. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, schedule a call with my team, check that first training down in the description, and click that like button if you enjoyed this video. Go click the 21 winning products, and I will see you in the next one.